UAT.
Thank you, Speaker. Please allow me to sit. The UAT move without notice that the Social Assistance Act of 2004 provide the disability grant as support for persons with disability. But under Regulation 20, subsection 2, the income of the spouse is counted in the means test, whether married in or out of community of property. This means that many people with disability could lose or reduce access to their grants once they marry, not because their disability has changed, but simply because their spouse has earned an income. In effect, this undermines the Constitution, Section 9 on equality, Section 10 on dignity, and Section 27 on social security. I therefore call the Department of Social Development to urgently review this provision so that persons with disability are not unfairly punished for choosing to marry. I so move.
Thank you. If there are no objections, put the motion. No objections, agreed to.